Welcome to Casa Segovia, located at Baliwag, Bulacan. We're here for another house tour with their duplex townhouse. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more house updates. I am going to show you their dress-up unit for their duplex townhouse. So this is just for your inspiration kung paano nila minodify or pinaganda ang kanilang unit. So, upon turnover, bare type po ang turnover ng ating unit. So, meaning to say, hindi pa po siya naka-tiles, wala pa po siyang paint. So, kayo na pong bahalang magpaganda ng inyong unit. So, ang kagandahan naman po sa bare type, so, you have your freedom to choose kung ano po yung gagamitin yung tiles, yung paint ng inyong walls, kung paano yung design na gusto ninyo. So, mas makakapili po kayo and mas makakamura po kayo kasi hindi na madodoble ang inyong pagpaparenovate. So, tingnan nyo po itong pagkakagawa nila sa pagmamodify ng unit. So, napakaganda po ng kanilang pagmamodify. So, look at their dining table, their kitchen area. So, yun po yung living area ninyo. So, you still have your option po kung paano nyo po pagagandahin. So, pwede nyo pong, we still have our setback here. So, kung gusto nyo po na mas lumuwag yung loob, pwede nyo ilabas ang inyong kitchen area dito. So, tingnan naman natin ang ating second floor. So, since bare type ang turnover, so kayo na pong bahalang mag-partition ng inyong second floor kung ilang rooms po ang gusto nyong ilagay sa second floor. So, it's a provision of 2 to 3 bedrooms. So, depende po sa inyo kung gaano po kalaki bawat bedroom. So, with this one, so dinivide nila into 3 rooms. So, this is good for your kids. So, pwede po kayo maglagay ng mga bed bank, katulad niyan. Perfect for your kids. So, here naman, pwedeng maging office ninyo since usong-uso ang mga work from home. So, this is perfect for your work from home. So, this is your master's bedroom. So, tingnan nyo, malaki pa rin naman ang ating bedroom and pwede kayo maglagay ng mga cabinets pa. So, nasa sa inyo na lang po talaga kung paano nyo pagagandahin ang inyong unit. So, look at this. Napakaganda po ng kanilang pagde-design. So, pwede nyo po itong gayahin for your future reference. So, lot area is 458 square meter with provision po ito for parking space. So, hindi nyo po problemahin ang inyong parking space. Meron po tayong allotted parking space doon po sa gilid ng inyong bahay. So, pwede nyo pa rin pong gamitin yun for your future expansion. You can reserve this unit for only 7,500 and alam mo ba, ang monthly amortization ng bahay na to is for only 10,000 pesos. So, sobrang affordable. So, if you're interested, please call me on the number on your screen para mag-site viewing tayo. Narito naman po ang sample computation ng ating duplex townhouse. So, message lang po kayo or call me anytime. Along the highway po ang ating subdivision, so very accessible po. So again, this is their duplex townhouse with 58 square meters. So meron po tayong provision for carport. So nakikita nyo po, yan po ang inyong magiging carport. So malaki po ang inyong parking. So hindi nyo po problemahin ang inyong parking. So if you're interested, please message me now for reservation.